Imagine checking your bank account every month and seeing that $10,000 deposit consistently. That's not luck. That's a system working for you. Financial success commands respect. Your spouse and children will be proud of you. But to achieve that financial freedom and respect, you need a proven plan. And that's exactly what I'm going to give you today. If you're ready to take action and change your life, then this video is for you. The first condition for success is to apply what you learn. Here are 5 effective ways to achieve your goal of earning $10,000 per month. Number 1. Blogging and affiliate marketing. How to make money. You create a blog or website and write content to get into Google search results, SEO. Then, share links to other people's products in that article or video. If someone buys something or uses a service from that link, you get a commission. Why $10,000 is possible? It's a compounding or accumulation process. Once you write good content and get to the first page of Google, it brings in traffic and revenue for years. In the Dollar Sprout example, they started with very little income, but after 18 months, they were earning $10,000 and then $60,000 per month. How to get started? Create a blog and write about topics that people search for on Google, like best budgeting app, how to increase credit score, and include relevant affiliate links in those articles, your affiliate links to products. Number 2. Freelancing, writing, design, accounting. How to make money. If you have a skill, like writing, graphic design, web development, accounting, you sell that service to companies on a project basis or for a monthly retainer fee. Why 10K is possible? You can work with multiple clients. If you have just 3 to 4 clients paying you $2,500 to $3,300 a month, the $10,000 goal is met. Freelancers like Holly Johnson make $200,000 plus a year just writing. How to get started? Determine what your strongest skill is. Then, create a profile directly on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or cold email companies. Number 3. Sell digital products, ebooks, templates, online courses. How it works? You use your knowledge or use creativity, e.g., a budgeting Excel sheet, a note template, a video course on a topic, and sell it on Etsy, Teachable, or your own website. Why 10K is possible? Once a product is created, it sells over and over again, without you having to spend any additional time or resources. How to get started? Create a small product and see how it reacts in the market.